Hey y'all, it's Lacey Griniger with Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty, and today I'm at 1101 Providence Loop, located in Harbor Club, Lake Oconee. I can't wait to show you this house. Come on in and take a look. Welcome inside. So this is the Crabapple floor plan. This is the largest and most sought after floor plan in the Enclave at Heron Ridge here at Harbor Club, Lake Oconee. Right off the foyer, you have two secondary bedrooms that share a bathroom, and right back this way is the main living area that is open to the kitchen. This is a beautiful kitchen. I love the granite countertops and the white cabinetry. Right beyond the kitchen is this designated dining space. You can fit a huge table here so you can have many dinner parties with all your family and friends. And I love these windows here in the dining room that give you views of your wooded backyard. This lot provides a lot of privacy. It's one of the best lots here in the Enclave at Heron Ridge. Just look at the fun views of the birds that this client has out of their dining room. Here in the living room, you'll notice this beautiful brick fireplace. This is the central focal point of the living room. Here we have a gas fireplace, and you can turn on your fireplace with just the click of a button. So there are 3 bedrooms on the main level of this home, and the master, the primary bedroom, is the 3rd. It's right here on the rear of the house, so you have plenty of views and natural light. Get to look out to your wooded backyard. Check out these gorgeous quartz countertops. I love these large tiled floors. We have a walk-in shower here and separate water closet. And right off of the bathroom is this huge master closet. Come check this out. You know, one of my favorite things off of a master closet is the laundry room. Check this out. Half bathroom here, and then we can go upstairs for the 4th bedroom and full bath and plenty of storage. Y'all come on. Thank you so much for going on this tour with me of 1101 Providence Loop. For more information on this listing, visit my website, lifesgoodonlakeoconee.com.